Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start by preparing hardware and software simultaneously. First, install RT-Clib through Library Manager. Make sure the Arduino board and serial port are selected. Next, power the RTC with the correct voltage and insert the backup battery. This keeps time when power is off. Then wire SDA to A4 and SCL to A5 on an Uno, or the dedicated SDA/SCL pins on other boards. Once done, open the example sketch. Compile to confirm library and wiring are recognized before proceeding. Now you configure the RTC and verify communication. Run an I2C scanner sketch to confirm the module's address. This ensures wiring and power are correct. Then upload RT-Clib's example that prints time. Open serial monitor at 9600 baud. If the clock reads invalid or 1970, use the library's set time or set date time function to write the correct time from your computer. Make sure to remove code that resets time on every boot, otherwise the RTC battery won't persist your setting. Finish by integrating the RTC into your project and handling errors. For low power wake-ups, enable the module's alarm interrupt and attach it to a digital interrupt pin. This lets the MCU sleep and wake precisely. For logging, save timestamps to SD or EEPROM and periodically compare with millis to detect drift, then correct the RTC if needed. If the RTC stops responding, check the CR2032 battery. Module voltage, I2C pull-ups, and solder joints. Swapping modules quickly isolates a faulty board.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.